Now, uh, as we had drawn the table, okay, price and quantity. So in that table it was given कि price जब 1 था, जब कि 1 rupee, तो quantity कितना था, 5 था. So what you have to do is you have to just join it. That is, आपने पहले बना लिया, okay, x axis and y axis, and in this y axis you denoted price, and here it is been shown quantity, and this graph we are making of individual demand curve. Okay, so here in the individual demand curve it is shown that कि जब price 1 था तो quantity 5 था. So you have to draw like this. Okay, when it 5 और ये price था 1. Okay, this is how. Then it is said that कि 2, जब price 2 rupees था तो quantity 4 था. Okay, price जब 2 था quantity 4 था. This is how. Okay, then price जब 3 था quantity is also 3. Okay, then so in that way you will be drawing with the help of that table, and this is how it will be completed. Now after this what you have to do is, see, this is the point, ये सारे point बने from where you will be drawing the curve. Okay, so these were the points. Now what you have to do, curve बनाना है, demand curve. Okay, so just you will be joining all these point. Okay, ये now what is it, that is, यहाँ पे आप ये देख सकते हो कि ये जो curve का characteristics है, what is it कि it will be always downward sloping है ना. और this also हम जब first chapter पढ़ रहे थे कि second chapter पढ़ रहे थे, there we had discussed this downward sloping curve, isn't it, कि downward sloping curve कब होता है, when the relationship is inverse, isn't it, that is जब भी relationship inverse होता है दो चीज़ों के बीच में, between two things, like here what is happening कि price was increasing and the quantity demand is decreasing, तो relationship inverse हुआ, that is why this demand curve is of downward sloping. So this is your individual demand curve. I hope it is clear, everyone. Now we will start market demand curve. Okay, so for this tabular form it is given price dx, that is a commodity, this is this next commodity, and this is the market demand. Market demand means when you will add this two. ठीक है, इन tabular form में हमने यही table discuss किया था. Okay, 5 plus 6 11, 4 plus 5 9 and so on. Okay, now what we will do is we will represent this tabular form in the graph. ठीक है, so in the graph you can see here y axis, x axis, okay, and in x axis quantity it is given, and in y axis price it is given. Okay, so according to that table हमको सिर्फ मार्केट डिमांड देखना है, dx dy नहीं शो करना है, जो हमने ऐड किया था दैट वी विल बी शोइंग. ओके, सो जब प्राइस 1 था तो मार्केट डिमांड वाज 11, है ना. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, मैंने यहाँ पे 2 2 का गैप दे दिया है. ओके, 2 4 6 8 10 12 एंड हियर प्राइस आई हैड टेकन. सो इट इज गिवन कि जब प्राइस 1 था मार्केट डिमांड इज 11, सो 11 वी कैन टेक समहाउ हियर. ओके, so then we will join it. Okay, so this is the price 1 था. Okay, then again when the price was 2 increased to 2 तो market demand क्या हो गया, 9 हो गया. Okay, so 9 means here it will be coming 9. Okay, and you will be joining in 2. Okay, in this way you have to represent all the forms, tabular forms. Okay, so this is how we will complete it with the help of that table. Now what you have to do is you will just join all these dots for the curve. Okay, so these were the dots, you will just join it. So again you can see this is the demand curve. Okay, we'll join it properly. ठीक है, so this is again downward sloping क्योंकि ये inverse relationship था, price was increasing, yes, price is increasing, और जो market demand है वो कम हो रहा था. Understood? So this is all about the curve, that is demand curve. Okay, then in the next class we will continue this chapter, that is law of demand, which is the important one. Okay, so till here I hope everybody clear. So go through it once again, bachas. God bless you all.